Welcome to Homework Lib.
Question.
Assertion A, true. Statement: a mature angiosperm embryo sac is 8-nucleate and 7-celled, consisting of 3 antipodal cells, 2 synergids, 1 egg cell, 1 central cell with 2 polar nuclei. Explanation: this assertion is scientifically accurate. The mature embryo sac of a flowering plant, angiosperm, also called the female gametophyte, is formed through a series of mitotic divisions from a single functional megaspore, usually in a process called monosporic development. The result is 8 nuclei, but only 7 cells, because 3 antipodals, located at the callosal end, 2 synergids and 1 egg cell, located at the micropilar end, forming the egg apparatus. 1 central cell contains 2 polar nuclei that may fuse to form a diploid secondary nucleus. Reason R, false. Statement: the egg apparatus contains 1 egg cell and 2 synergids, not 2 polar nuclei. The 2 polar nuclei are present in the central cell, not the egg apparatus. Explanation: this reasoning is correct in content, but marked as false in the context of the reasoning relation. The egg apparatus includes 1 egg cell, 2 synergids. It does not contain the 2 polar nuclei. The 2 polar nuclei are found in the central cell, and they are responsible for forming the endosperm nucleus after fusion with a male gamete during double fertilization. However, in assertion reason type questions, the reason is judged false, only if it does not explain the assertion, or is factually incorrect. Here, the reason is factually correct, but it does not contradict the assertion. Rather, it supports it. Correct analysis. Assertion A is true. Reason R is factually correct, but perhaps marked false because it doesn't contradict the assertion. This may be a misinterpretation. However, in many exam formats, a reason that supports but does not explain the assertion may still be marked as false as a reason, not as a fact. Summary table: component number, location, function, unknown exact function. Egg cell 1, micropilar end, fuses with 1 male gamete to form zygote. Synergids 2, micropilar end, guide pollen tube. Antipodals 3, chalazal end, often degenerate, unknown exact function. Central cell 1, center contains 2 polar nuclei, forms endosperm. Total cells 7. Total nuclei 8 due to 2 nuclei in the central cell.